Hi students, welcome to second quarter of Math 8. You're starting fresh this quarter. You're starting with a new teacher, new material, so I hope you're all excited to be done with quarter one and get to start fresh now. Right now I want you to think about how things went last quarter. Are you happy with the grade that you got? Are you happy with the effort that you put into your assignments and your tests? Are you happy about the time you spent asking Mrs. Teixeira questions and getting help on your assignments? Think about some of the things that you did last quarter, and I want you to choose right now one thing that didn't go so well that you can do better this quarter, and make it a goal right now to do just one thing better second quarter. Okay, I hope you've thought of something and that you've made it a goal in your mind to get to do better this quarter in just one thing. Okay, well, as you can tell, I'm not Mrs. Teixeira. I am your new teacher for the rest of the year. My name is Sarah Skulls, and that's skulls like skulls and crossbones, but I'm much less scary. Anyways, I'm not your substitute teacher. I'm not a temporary teacher. I'm the teacher for you for the rest of the year. So please come to me with any questions or concerns you have about the material, and I'm always happy to help answer your questions. Okay, that's my favorite part of being a teacher, is helping my students and tutoring them. So never be afraid to come and ask me for help. Okay, you're probably wondering what's going to be new since you have a new teacher, and I'll let you know there's going to be some subtle differences, but nothing too major. The first thing that you'll notice that's different is the way the grade scale that the way I'm weighing your grades for the rest of the year. You're just going to have two grade categories. You're going to have a practice category and an assessments category. Practice includes all of the assignments and any participation or reflection activities that I choose to include, and that will be 60% of your grade. Then assessments is the second category, and that includes tests and any projects that we do. And your assessment category is 40% of your grade. Okay, the next thing that I just want to go over that's probably not too much different from Mrs. Teixeira is the late work policy. If you know that you're going to be out of town for a vacation, or you know you're just going to be absent for some reason, it's your job to work ahead. Usually you'll have 2 weeks open in this class. Well, you'll always have 2 weeks open in this class, and it's your job to work ahead if you know you're going to be absent. If you, for some reason or another, have an emergency come up and you need an extension for a week, you need to fill out the extension request form found at the top of the course page and turn that in to me and have it approved to get your extension. Now, generally, I give you one extension per quarter, so use it wisely. If you have any other questions or concerns or things that I didn't cover about the late work policy, those need to be taken up with me individually through email or chat or a phone call. Okay, so that's probably not too much different from how Mrs. Teixeira did things. There are going to be a few other differences you'll see as you work through the class. Nothing that really needs mentioning right now. You'll notice it as you start working. But if there's anything else that I've changed that's major, you can find it in the course syllabus. That's at the top of the page, so you can read that if you would like. I will stay in constant contact with you through emails and chats and phone calls if I do make any changes or if you need to be aware of anything big happening. But generally, I'll just let you know throughout the weeks and throughout your assignments and in these intro videos. Okay, now on to the week 1 intro. Okay, I'm going to get rid of my head here. Week 1, here's your schedule. Notice here's my office hours located here at the top of the schedule if you need help or have questions for me. The first thing that you need to do is watch the Math 8 news, which we just talked about, and the week 1 intro. Remember that you're always held accountable for the information that I provide in these videos, so you need to be watching these videos. I'll try to keep them short. This week's the only exception. Next, you have an introduction, Meet Mrs. Scholes. I made a quick video of myself just to introduce myself so you can get to know me and feel comfortable coming to me and asking questions. There's an extra credit assignment that goes along with this. It's not required, but if you choose to do it, you'll see instructions in my intro video and in the extra credit assignment. Okay, the first unit that we're going to have this quarter is on functions and graphing. Okay, this is going to be some new stuff for you, and some of it's going to be sort of a review. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is identifying functions. You're going to identify whether a graph is a function or not. You have two resources to help you with this. And then you have a multiple choice assignment on identifying whether a given table, points, or a graph is a function. Next, you're going to review some proportional relationships. Remember, proportional means that we're comparing two quantities, and relationships means we're comparing these quantities to other quantities. So you have one lesson to review and one quick question on a practice assignment. Next, you're going to do a section on graphing, interpreting, and comparing proportional relationships. So you're going to be given these proportional relationships in a multiple variety of ways, in graphs, tables, or equations. And you're going to need to be able to interpret them and compare them given different representations. You have one lesson for this and one practice assignment. Okay, that covers everything that you are required to do this week. Notice that you can finish up all of your work through Thursday, and then Friday is the best day to study and review lessons in case you need to do a second attempt for anything. My recommendation is to do a second attempt for any assignment you score less than 80% on. Okay, that covers everything. If you have questions or need help, please come contact me during my office hours, which are listed here. And I'm excited to get to work with you guys, and I'm excited to get to know you. So have a great first week back. See ya.